Hey guys, welcome back to Networkers on YouTube channel. And today in this video, we are going to see about some basic commands of the Linux operating system. Okay, we'll see what are the basic commands and how you can use the Linux operating system in your day-to-day life. Okay, so for that purpose, we'll be starting off with some basic commands. Okay, so let's start. So if we start with the basic commands, so here I have a Linux operating system with me. Okay, this is again our CentOS. So let's say root. The password is CentOS. Okay, all right. So now I'll start with the basic commands. So the first command you can execute is, let's say you want to check that which user is currently logged in your system. So you can say the command who am I. Okay, so if you give the command who am I, it is going to print the name of the user that is currently logged in. Okay, so basically if I say your who am I command, it is going to print the currently logged in username, or print the name of currently logged in user. Okay, this is what your whoami command is going to do. Then if we discuss about the next command we can execute is the date command. So this particular date command, it is going to print the current date and time. Okay, it is going to print the current date and time of the system, or you can say simply just going to print the current date and time. So if I execute this command, okay, so I can simply say date and hit enter. Okay, so it is telling me this is the current date and time. So it is saying Tuesday, January 17th, and this is the time. Okay, then this is the time zone, and this is the current year. Okay, so now if you want to filter this output, because right now it is saying showing you everything, the day, date, and everything. So let's say you want to filter out, you just want to see what is the date today. Okay, you don't want to see the month, you don't want to see the time, you don't want to see the year, nothing. So how you can do that? You can say date, then you can say plus, then percentage and D. And if you say date plus percentage D, and if you hit enter, okay, it is going to say the date today is 17. Okay, if you want to just check the month, you can say date, and then you can say plus, again percentage and small m. So this will be for the month. Hit enter. So this is the current month. Now, if you want to check it for year we will have to give the Y. Y is, that is your capital Y. So you can say date plus percentage and capital Y, and you will see this is the current year. Okay. Now, if you want to see these, all the three entries all together, then you can use like date. Okay. And you can say plus percentage. Then you can give here D for date. Then whatever separation you want to use, let's say I want to use hyphen as a separation. So I'll say hyphen, then I can say percentage M, then again next separation, then I'll say percentage capital Y. And if I check, you see the date is 17/1/2023. Similarly, if you want to change the separation, what you can do, you can use date plus percentage D. And now let's say this time you want to separate with the forward slash. So you can say percentage D slash, then you can say percentage M, again slash, then you can say percentage Y. Hit enter, and now you have the new separation. So this way you can use any sort of separation, whatever you like. Okay, even if you want, you can go with the, let's say, date plus percentage D dot percentage M dot, then percentage capital Y. And you see, means anyhow, whatever separation you want to use, accordingly, you can use the separation, and that will give you the output. Okay, so this is the command date. Now, next command is calendar. Okay, so if we go with the calendar, so simply the command is cal, C-A-L. So it is going to print the current month calendar. It is going to print the current month calendar. Okay. So let's say if I want to see what is the current month calendar, so in that case, I can give the command cal. And if I hit the command cal and enter, so this is showing me the calendar for the month of January 2023, and today's dated highlighted with the 17. Okay. So this is the current month calendar. So now if you want to see what is the, like if you want to check the calendar for 3 months, okay, So how you can check? You can say cal-3. So if you give cal-3, in that case, what is going to happen? It is going to print the 3 months calendar. Okay. This command is going to print 3 months calendar. Okay. And what will be those 3 months? If we talk about, so the calendar will be in the format. First of all, your previous month will be there. Okay. After the previous month, your current month will be there. Previous month, current month, and the next month. Okay, these all will be the calendars available when you give cal-3. Okay, so means if right now it is January 2023, that means when you give the command cal-3, what will happen? Your December 2022 calendar, January 23, and February 2023. Okay, so 1 month back, current month, and the upcoming month. These 3 calendars will be shown. So if I give cal-3, so if you check, you see here, okay, let me increase the size here, or let me decrease the text size a little bit. So now you can see that we have December 2022, then we have January 2023 and February 2023 calendar. Okay, so this is how you can display the calendar. Then right now, if you check in your calendar, the first day of the month is Sunday. Right now, in your calendar, the first day of the month is Sunday. If you want that your month should start with the Monday, so what you can do, you can give, let's say, for example, just let me give the command cal. So right now, the first day is what? Sunday. So if you want that this day should be Monday first, so you can say cal-m. And now you see that the first day will be Monday. Okay. So by default, it is Sunday. And if you want it to be Monday, in that case, you can give cal-m. Okay. And this will make it Monday. Next, what you can do, if you want to see the calendar for the entire year, you can say cal-y. So cal-y will print the calendar for the entire year. Okay. This is going to print the calendar for entire year. Okay. So means if I go and check, so if I say cal-y and hit enter, this is printing the calendar for the entire year 2023. Okay. So this will print the calendar for the entire year. Let's say you want to see the calendar for a particular year. In that case, you can say cal and you can give the year. Let's say I want to see the calendar for the year 0. So I can see 0, then this will print not 0, 1 2 9999. Okay. So if you want to see the calendar for year 1, the beginning of the year, so you can start and go and watch. Okay. This is the year 1. Okay. And started with the Saturday. Okay. This is how you can check. And if you want to see the calendar for the year 9999, then also you can check. You can say cal 9999. Hit enter. And this is calendar for the year 9999. Okay. And if you want to see, let's say right now 2023 is going on, so you can say cal 2024. So next year calendar. So this is the calendar for your next year, 2024. Like this, you can check the calendars. Okay. Now, if you want to clear your terminal screen, right now you see there's a lots of data in my terminal screen, right? So if you want to clear your terminal screen, the command is clear. So if you give the clear command, your terminal screen will be clear. And this is it. If you say clear, see whatever you type and you just say clear. So this will clear your terminal screen. Okay. Then if you want to see what all are the commands you have already executed, so the command is history. So if you give the history command, this will show you what all commands you have executed. So far we have executed 42 commands in our Linux system. Okay. You can see these are all the commands. So if you want to clear the history also, you can say history -c. So -c is going to clear the history. If you hit enter, and now after history, whatever command I will give, let's say if I say history command itself, so this will be the first command in the history because we have already cleared the previous history. So we'll not be able to check that particular thing. Okay. Now let me again clear the terminal screen. Now let's say you want to see that what a particular command does. Okay. I know the command, but I do not know what the command does. Okay. So if you want to know about what a particular command does, you can give the command what is. Okay, let's say I want to check about the command cal, that what is this cal command. If I had enter, okay, it is saying nothing appropriate. No problem. Let me say what is date. Okay, still nothing appropriate. What about what other commands we have seen here? Still nothing appropriate. What about history? Again. Okay, what is? Again, nothing. How's that? You can say what is ls. Some problem is there. Okay, let me show. We can check what is, for example, ls we already check, is showing nothing appropriate. No problem. So this command would show you one line description. Okay, the command what is, what it does, it will print one line description of a command. Whatever command you want to see for that command, it is going to print one line description of a command from the manual pages. Okay, for each and every command in the Linux, there are manual pages. So it is going to display that. Okay. Sorry. It is going to print the one line description from the manual pages. Okay, so if you want to check the manual for a particular, let's say you want to check manual of a command. Okay, or let me just tell you how you can take help about a particular command. So let's say I want to take help about what is command. So I can say what is, and then simply -help. Okay, so this will display you what is command and how you can use the what is command. So simply say what is, and then give the keyword. But let's say, for example, still you are not able to understand that what this particular help option is and how to use it, why to use the what is command and all. So what you can do, you can simply read the manual of the particular command. So you can say man, and then you can say what is. Okay, so if you read the manual, so you see here your what is command is going to do what? It is going to display the manual page description. Okay, so you can read complete synopsis that how you can use this particular command, and then also you can read the description, like each manual page has a short description available with it. Okay, so what is command is going to search the manual pages and display the manual page description of any name next. Okay, so what you can do, simply you have to say what is and whatever command it is. Okay, so right now it is saying nothing appropriate, but actually it is going to show you the one line description of a particular command. Okay, then let's say you want to know that what is the location of a particular command, where is the command file located, because in case of Linux, each and everything in a Linux system is a file, right? So even your commands, they are stored in some sort of files. So where your commands are available, where these manual pages are available. So if you want to know about these, you can say where is, the command is where is, and let's say you want to know about the ls command, or let's say cal command, where is cal. If you hit enter, so this is displaying the location of the command, and now these are the manual pages. Okay, you can see in the man means these are the manual pages available in your Linux system. So first of all, it will show you the executable location, means the command location, and then it will show you the manual page locations. Okay, so this is how your where is command is used. Okay, then next, let's say you want to know that in which particular directory you are working right now. So the command is pwd. So pwd stands for, or let me say it is going to print the present working directory, means the directory you are currently working on. Okay, it is going to print that particular information. Okay, so let's say I want to see where I'm currently working. So if I say pwd and I hit enter, in that case it is telling me I'm working in the directory /root. Okay, and let's say if I want to know that what are the files and directories available in this particular directory, so I can give the command ls. Okay, so if I give the ls command, it is going to list all the current files and directories in this particular system. Okay, so this is how you can check. Okay, so these all are the basic commands. Okay, and still you can use certain options with your ls command, like you can say ls-a. So, or you can say ls-a. So what it is going to do right now, you can see that only some few files and directories are available. The hidden files and directories, they are not available. So ls-a is going to do what? It is going to print the hidden files and directories as well. This means simply list all. Okay. And your ls is simply list. So it is going to list, and your ls-a is list all. So if I say ls-a, you will find even more number of files and directories. Okay. And the directories that are starting with the dot, they all are hidden. Directories and files starting with the dot, they are all are hidden. Okay. Now, let's say if you want to know about more information, so you can say ls-l. ls-l stands for long list. Okay. So long list means it is going to display some extra information about the particular files and directories. So if I say ls-l, so you will see that it is showing me some extra information here. Okay, with just the names, instead of getting just the names, I'm getting some extra information also. Okay, what all are the information? That these are the permissions of the files and directories. This is number of files and directories. Then this is the owner information, group information. Then this is the size. After that, we have the date and time and the name. Okay, so this is how all these things are there when you give the ls-l command. So permissions, number of files and directories, owner, group, size, date, and time, as well as the name. Okay, so this is how everything is there. Then simply you can combine ls-l and a, both options. So what will happen? You can say a or al, that is up to you. Okay. Or you can say -a-l, means I'm combining both the options. So you can give any way, up to you. So let's say I'll say ls-la. So what will happen? This is long list all. Okay. Means now we will get extra information even about the hidden files and directories. So if I give this command and hit enter, you will see it is showing me the same extra information regarding each and every type. Means all the even hidden, the dot ones. See, these dot starting with dot, these are all hidden files and directories. So I'm getting extra information about these particular files and directories as well. Okay. So guys, these all are the basic commands. Okay. These are not completed yet. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll do the remaining commands in the second part of this video. Okay. So I hope this video was informative, and if you feel this video was helpful to you, so please do like the video and subscribe to the Networkers Home YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.